Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdurrazaq Alaziz. I'm from Classy Faculty of Law, University of Jenderal Sudirman. In here, please allow me to explain the case of the thief of three cockroaches. Reporting on a legal case that once captured national attention in Indonesia and sparked debate about fairness, humanity, and justice. This case involves an elderly woman known as Mina, who was prosecuted for stealing three cockroaches. Beyond the legal fact, this case raised an important question: was justice truly served? Here is the full The incident involved the thief of three cocoa buds from a privately owned cocoa plantation. Although the value of the item was very small, the act was legally categorized as thief and processed through the criminal justice system. The defendant in this case was Mina, an elderly woman living in modest condition. The complainant was a cocoa plantation company, which reported the incident to the authorities. Law enforcement agencies, including the police, prosecutor, and the court, handled the case from investigation to trial. The incident occurred in Banyumas Regency, Central Java, within the area cocoa plantation owned by the company. The region is predominantly agriculture, with many residents relying on farming for their daily income. The incident took place in 2009, and the legal process continued for several months until a verdict was reached. According to testimony in court, Mina told the cocoa buds not for commercial, but to plant them in her home garden. She admitted her mistake and stated that she did not intend to commit the crime. However, from the company perspective, the act was still considered thief under the law, prompting them to pursue legal action. This situation raised concern about whether the legal enforcement was appropriate for such a minor offense involving a vulnerable individual. After the report was filed, the police conducted an investigation and forwarded the case to prosecutor, and Mina was charged under Article 362 of the Indonesian Criminal Code, with regulation thief. During the trial, she expressed remorse and apparent emotional distress. The court ultimately sentenced her to 1 month and 15 days of imprisonment with a probation period of 3 months, meaning she did not have to serve time in prison as long as she did not repeat the offense. Despite the light sentence, the legal process itself placed a heavy psychological burden on the elderly defendant. This case